For most of my life, I was the feeling. Because I didn't know how to upregulate my nervous system, I was also a victim of other people's lower frequency. What do I mean by lower frequency? Being aggressive or being angry or sad. And I was a victim of other people's energy. And when you're a victim of other people's energy, or if you're a victim of your thoughts, if you allow yourself to be your feelings, then as me, I was tired, I was exhausted, I was afraid, I was scared. I was a victim of my nervous system. If you've been following me for a while, you know, I've been through a very stressful situation in my life. And if you borrow my belief for a moment that every situation in your life is here to help you up level your consciousness, and it's a test from the universe to help you grow, then it took me a long time to actually understand that there is some growth for me here. But now I'm so blessed, and I feel it's a double blessing that I've been through this, because had not been through this, I would never have been able to teach so many amazing women and men about how to upregulate their nervous system. So I had to learn it the hard way, and it was really a hard way. But what I wanted to share with you, and really the purpose of this, is to give you a few keys on how you can, in the moment, catch yourself when you allow your nervous system to run away with you. If you feel heaviness in your body, be curious about why that heaviness. If you feel flu symptoms, why suddenly do you feel flu symptoms? If you feel toothache, what is going on? If you feel headache, what is going on? I also have ups and downs in my life, but I trained myself to catch myself in the moment and get back into coherence. But I had a few situations a couple of weeks ago where I suddenly felt unwell, that I should go back to bed, toothache, headache, like flu, the whole shebang. But instead of letting my body control me and consuming some medication, I said, no way. I wanted to be curious about what is really going on within, because you may know, if you followed me for a while, the inner state first. The inner state controls the outer state. So I got curious about what was going on, and I listened to my body. The feelings is the language of the body. And I was asking my body what is really going on. And I got some really interesting limiting beliefs rising to the surface, that you're not safe, you shouldn't go there, some people will be there, and that's rubbish because these people would never attend what I had planned to attend. And as I said to myself, what if, and my body, what if this was going to be the best experience ever? Then slowly the pain started to leave my body, I started to heal, and I left that day on a very high note. And it turned out to be one of the best events I have attended recently, with a lot of new connections, creating amazing impact together. So that is one way, and a sure way, you can, in the moment, upregulate your nervous system. So next time you feel sad, it is sadness, right? Next time you feel tired or you feel sick, ask yourself, what is going on in my body right now? And also, am I really ready to show up that way? And if I give into that sickness and I'm not curious about not what is going on, what are you then saying no to? Say no to your big goals, and what are you letting in instead? Let me know how this shows up, and I read every single note. I love you.